So behind me should be the brand new Novitec McLaren Artura Stage 2, which means it's got all the carbon bits on it, the whole kit. I haven't seen this. Normally I get a video with the details and all of the cars. I can prepare my talk. Today the boys said, come and have a look. This is going to be a surprise. So on 3, 2, 1. Holy moly! Holy moly! Josh, I think I need a minute to just sample a bit of this. Wow, forget the front. I can see carbon fiber, the hood and the lip and the side skirts and all of that, but what did you guys do here? It looks like a miniature Koenigsegg. Oh my goodness, holy cow, that is crazy. And all of this in carbon fiber. Anyways, guys, we're gonna show you a good run of car porn while I sample some information and prep my talk in a second. So, we are in the Novitec Artura. Yeah, it's a V6, it's McLaren, it's hybrid, na. But if it's a Novitec version, none of that really counts. You guys should know by now, because manual mode, we work on the exhaust. Young massacant. This thing just beefs up the road. In the last video, I remember saying that the very first thing that comes into your mind is the fact that the Novitec exhaust transforms this car completely and utterly. Nothing has changed in that department. Really, it just makes that V6 a lot more masculine than it actually is. Whoa. This car is quicker. It'll have you in trouble in no time. Oh. So what exactly have we done to this McLaren Artura Stage 2? First of all, very, very evident, you get to see this double layered front lip over here with the centerpiece in carbon fiber. All of this so gorgeous, even with the front camera over here, aiding the airflow, chasing it to the coolers behind that really needs that air. We also have a complete carbon fiber bonnet, and get this. This is one of my favorite pieces over here. The section under the lights and also around the intake of this cooler, which is a one piece. Now, of course, what is a Novitec McLaren without gorgeous MC wheels? These are the MC3s, 19-inch in the front, 20-inch in the back. The size different because we're forced with the kind of wheels that rides on this car. But this in a center lock look, also with a logo there and a bed of carbon fiber behind. If you want to see a different finish of the rims, check out our website, novitecgroup.com. Car rides low on a sports suspension over here, you can see that. And McLaren's all about lightweight and about aero. As you can see from that wing, we are too. And so we've added these gills over here. They are real, not blocked, and they've not been stuck on there, getting rid of the hot air in here built up by the tire and setting it up for the flow towards the side of the car. Carbon fiber mirror cap, carbon fiber triangle over there, that one with sort of protrusion, not just flat. Lovely attention to detail, but check out the side skirts. Now, this is one mother of a side skirt. Dual portion, dual part, one here on the door, the other one extending towards the rear, and it's got a fin protruding towards the outside, setting up the air that has to move past the tire. Clever stuff. But check out this sill over there, obviously lovely Novitec. It's gorgeous. Every time you get into the car, you get to see that bit. One of the coolest things I find is how we've extended this section over here, the intake for the air towards that rear. Just grabbing a bit more air, it's slanted towards the front. And if you come in very quickly, check this shape and compare it to this shape. Now, you did not hear an engine because this car uses the electricity to drive until the cats are warmed up. Reverse is also used via electricity rather than using the combustion engine, obviously, because it's not running. Let's get back to this very minuscule rear Koenigsegg, McLaren wing over here. I should say the Novitec wing. This is incredible. You guys let me know down in the comments what you think about this. Check the rear 2/3 shot of this car. It looks so sexy. If you don't want this part and you only want to have this little portion, this little lip over here in carbon fiber, you can have that as well, or just this one without that. Then beautiful side panels over here that I feel just accentuates the sort of more aggressive stance of the car at the rear. I love the fact that Novitec has decided to really work in layers over here, also with the massive diffuser in carbon fiber, the rear bumper in carbon fiber, and of course our Novitec exhaust system. Pivotal to a hybrid car, I nearly said to an electric car, to a hybrid car, just making the combustion engine still sound like a force to be dealt with. For a V6 with that exhaust, similar to the 296. Yo, Masa. Yo, this is so quick. You know, you can't really ignore the fact that all of these cars are going to be quick. You think I'm sitting in here and always saying like, oh, that's so quick. It is because it is. And with this V6, where it feels like she's missing some of that powerful grunt, it's being aided by the 7.4 kilowatt hour battery that is working in harmony with the motor. A lot of 296 stuff in there. So you got torqueful, 4th gear, 4,000 RPMs, and she pushes. And I suppose that's where this car becomes a little bit of a weapon in its own category. I don't feel that it's the 750 as brutal force that's throwing you towards the horizon, making you want to get married to the line at the back of the Cascade, but it's the way that it flows. You feel like if you're doing it right, then you're just catching everything at the right moment. It's like a whip that's just hovering about, has so much power. Oh, in harmony. Reverse gear using the electric motor. Don't make the mistake of putting your foot down, feeling like it's not going anywhere, and then, can I quickly turn around here, champ? Thank you, sorry, my car needs like a 6-point turn, because the electric motor will definitely shunt the car to the back. This is honestly, in true McLaren fashion, kakvenach. Wow! It honestly is just a freaking fast car. Nothing new. McLaren doesn't make much that is slow anymore at all. What is this car actually giving to me? Ooh. She's doing. Oh, I tell you, the torque on this is just making this behave like a V8. It has the torque, even though something bigger than 3000 cc, but you don't. You got a little 3-litre V6 in there. but she goes. How much horsepower have we got now? Let's just say, all in all, 720 horsepower, 720 Newton meters of torque. But I tell you, it's the way those torques come to you. It really is the way that they come to you. That's special. Front row, people, front row. Honestly, there's a low down bellow from the exhaust on this V6 that is particularly something one could get fond of. I tell you no lie. It is really lovely and similar to the 750S, giving you that subtle gurgle burble. Full-bodied, it feels voluminous, it feels fantastic, voluptuous, and it's almost like you can just masticate on that sound, can't you? Listen to that. Typical also of McLaren, you don't hear V6 or V8, you just hear a cacophony of powerful noise. And then the road holding, typical McLaren, and with that new Novitec wing, holy moly, eccezionale. We got these 19 and 20-inch tires on here because McLaren uses specific wheels for this, and they've got the tire pressure monitor somewhere specific so that you can't use a different tire, but they make it so comfortable. Of course, the Novitec springs does not take away from the comfort. It never has, and it probably never will. Oh, little oh, the torque coming in right about now. Oh, it's honestly so good. The way this picks up is close to a little bit on the scary side, really. You can say that. Did you see the back just go? Oh. Today it's McLaren Day, and today it's this mini Koenigsegg McLaren Day. Nice one, Artura. Oh, I nearly forgot. If you haven't yet and you want to subscribe to our channel, you know what to do. If you want to follow us on TikTok or on Instaface, then you can do so. Me personally, be on the call, Novitec at the Novitec Group. Until next time, adios. Naughty. It's a good day. Very good day, man. Very good day.